What's up mga ka-OG? Pumunta ko sa estadyo. Kasama ko si Chogrele. Okay guys, pauwi na kami ngayon at pupunta kami sa Nalbo. So magiging up, Los 4 versus Nalbo. Abangan ninyo ang pagtatapat. Okay mga kaugi, welcome back. Kakauwi ko lang natin basketballan mga kaugi. At babago ko sa inyo ang mga policy ng mga online gambling.
A few moments later.
Like most of us, I also spend time online whatever for studying, social media or entertainment, and that's where I first became aware of today big issue, online gambling. My advocacy is about raising awareness on dangers on online gambling. So what is online gambling? It's basically betting on games, casinos, events, or sports through apps or website, or using real money. I choose this advocacy because online gambling is becoming common, especially among the young. Some people, it's a harmless fun, but for many, it leads to addiction, financial problems, and even adverse studies, work, and relationship. Other people should know about this advocacy because it's not a personal issue, it's a community problem. When people lose control over gambling, it does an online effect. Then it also affects their loved ones. The earlier we are aware, the more we can prevent this happening.
A Leandro y a Samus le sale un por mil en Bonanza.
Ese 25.
¡Ay, bro!
Ay, no, brother,
Ay,
¿cómo
brother.
no nos va? Bien, bro, esa bomba fue. Bro, qué no sabía que podía tocar ese hijo de p.
¡Ay,
Uy, bro, qué rico. Bueno, salió. Yo no sabía que podía tocar ese. Ay, bien.
¡Uy, bro!
Oh, bueno, y todavía nos faltan tiros. Uy, esa bomba es por mí, qué coño.
So in this vlog, I want to encourage everyone to more aware of the risk of online gambling. Let's use our time and resources in healthier, more productive activity. If you want to learn more, make sure to stick around on my next vlog, where I share updates, campaigns, and how social media can help spread this message. Okay mga ka-OG, thank you for watching, and I hope you join me in your supporting this advocacy. Don't forget, like and share and subscribe.